So how to design beautiful PPT presentation on mobile browser? No laptop, no worries, no app installation required. Okay, so simply choose any template from these 348 templates are there. Just you select, or else you come to this keyword section over here, you type the keywords you want. For example, coffee. Okay, so you search, then you will get related templates, coffee PPT templates you will get. Okay, presentation. For example, we want to use this one, so simply tap on it. So this is the page, make sure you are logged in. From here we will design and customize it further. Okay, so this tool link will be there in the description box. So now let's customize it further. So first of all, you can see you have total 6 templates, 6 slides you have. Okay, single template, 6 pages you have. So simply you tap on this arrow over here, small arrow, to see all the slides. Okay, so this is 1 2, then we have 3 4 5 6, like that 6 slides are. Okay, so what we can do, just you hide this one. Okay, now we have some sections. Okay, useful sections. So just let me tell you that in this bottom over here you have some useful sections one by one. So first we have templates. Okay, you can see we have templates. So once you will click on these templates, you can change the templates, you can use any template you want. Okay, of your choice. So all we are getting in related colors, you can customize them further. Now you come to these categories over here. You need to click on this category, so you will find categories of your industry. Okay, so you can see lots of categories we have, like corporate, we have personal use, then education, portfolio, food, construction, technology, school, medical, architecture, law, logistics. Okay, health, environments. So any templates you want, you simply select. So now we will customize this one. Okay, this PPT over here. So now you tap on text if you want to add. For example, coffee day. Okay, we want to use coffee day. Next we have this one, whatever text you want to use, you can use it, you can change it. Okay, from this. So for example, this coffee day, and now we need to we need different fonts. Okay, so you select fonts. This you will have lots of fonts, okay, to choose and use. Now this one. Next we have here color you can change. Okay, so for example, just for example purpose. Okay, so color you can change. Next you have this plus icon over here. Okay, to add new section or new text element. So this plus, so two plus symbols you have. Make sure one by one, let me show you this one over here. Once you will click on that element, you will have this one, two sections. Okay, plus section. One is actually here, you have one plus here and another plus over here. Okay, so two plus this first one over here is for mainly to add new sections. Okay, and this plus to increase the font, means text size. Okay, so what will happen if you click on this plus icon, you can see we have another new text element we can add. So I want to delete it, so simply you can add text. I want to delete. Okay, so I have deleted it. Now just for example, again you tap on it. So this is the text size, so you can increase this one, text size. Okay, here we have alignment section over here, central, left, central, right, and you have bold. Okay, semi bold, italics, and this one is actually cap small. Okay, so let me show you. This one is a bold and this one is a cap and small. Now you have spacing section. Okay, if you want, you can increase or decrease, adjust the space. Okay, next you can see you have the curved option over here. If you want, you can add the curve like this way. Okay, and you can like adjust and position it also, upside or down, wherever you want the curve you can add it. Okay, so I don't want any curve. So now you have the outline option over here. If you change the color, you will find the outline. Okay, so you need to increase that one, so you can see we have the outline. Okay, so I don't want outline. Shadow also we have. Okay, so for example, this shadow I want, so you can add shadow as well. Okay, so now Next options we have, this text section is done. Now we have the background. Okay, you can change the background of your choice. For example, I want to keep white, so you can keep it white. Then we have the logo. Okay, so here you can upload logo. Make sure you are logged in and you can upload your own logo. Next, shape. So we have lots of shapes over here. Okay, you can add new shapes. Okay, these are the shapes. If you want, you can add. Wherever you want, you can position it. So in this way, I don't want, so I will simply delete it. Okay, so now we have this shape is done. Okay, you can see lots of shapes are there. Now images. So here you can upload your own images or you can use their own library. Okay, you can search what kind of image you want. Okay, for example, shop. You want a shop image. Okay, so you simply search with the shop. You will get lots of shops images over here. Okay, you can always click on load more images. Okay, they are fetching all these images from unsplash. Now we have this one, QR code. Okay, very important step. So for example, you want to add your QR, so come to this QR section and then you what kind of QR you want. For example, only web or else your email. So you add your email, subject message. Okay, then phone number, you add your phone number, SMS, text and message, contact, name, phone, email, web, company, title. Okay, all these details you can add, and events, title, location, start, end date. Okay, for example, web. Okay, so come to this web and you add your own web URL. Okay, so this is actually your web URL, right? So for example, this one, cough.co. okay, just for simple example I am telling. Okay, so here once you entered your this one URL, here you can generate the code for that. Actually you can select any QR styles over here and then you can generate the code. Okay, so your QR code will be generated and you can position it. Okay, anywhere you want you can position it, so that once they will scan this, okay, they will get your this one, they will directly land to your web page. Okay, so this is how QR is very important. Okay, and you can customize for any kind. Okay, email, phone, then SMS, contact, events. Okay, any kind you can QR, you can create custom QR. So this is how. Now and let me tell you, you select any elements. Okay, so you can reset this one. You have the reset option over here, and then redo, undo, delete, then you have this one, actually blur, then front back copy elements. Okay, and once the design is ready, what you can do, you can download it. Okay, you can save the progress as well. So this is how it works, and you should definitely try it on mobile browser. Very easy, and you can create your custom PPT and presentation in this way. And one more thing I want to tell you, for example, this is actually we have a very interesting feature. These are the bins. Okay, and you want to change the bins color over here. Okay, so simply select on this bins, and you will get this option over here. This is the option. Okay, so you magic pencil or pen, it is option you need to tap. Okay, so simply tap on this option over here. Okay, magic pen, bins, and then magic pen. So from here you can change this one, bins color. Okay, so simply we have this brown color. You can see the bins color is getting changed as per our choice. Okay, so in this way you can change the bins color as well. Okay, so we need this one, chocolate colors only. Okay, so this is how you can use this beautiful tool and very useful. And please watch our earlier videos on design, PowerPoint, PPT. We have web design tutorial, Photoshop, Canva, lots of design tutorials we have. You should check it out. And this is actually some design experts. You can hire them just for 5 USD. You can ask them to design any custom QR or any business design purpose, infographics, logo, mock-ups, okay, website, whatever, or any business task or any task, any personal task also you can ask them to perform. Okay, so this much for today. Any questions, please ask me and give a thumbs up, it will motivate us. Take care, bye bye.